We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you the most comprehensive and unbiased overview of the Phyulls Smart Watch for kids, with 24 games, alarm clock, touchscreen, calendaring, camera, music player, time display, video and audio recording designed for boys and girls ages 3 to 12 years old. If you own this item, please consider leaving your own review in the comments to help other families make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description using it supports the channel. The Phyulls Smart Watch for kids stands out as a multifunctional device, offering an impressive array of features tailored for young users. According to the collected user feedback, this watch is not just a toy, but an engaging learning tool and entertainment center, all wrapped up in a sturdy, child-friendly design. With a vibrant touchscreen, children can easily navigate through 24 built-in puzzle games, a selfie camera, video recording, music playback, a pedometer, flashlight, alarm, stopwatch, calculator, customizable themes, screensavers, audiobooks, learning cards, habit tracker, and more. The inclusion of 5 language options and adjustable ringtone volume further enhances its versatility for different households. Parents and gift givers consistently praise the watch for its thoughtful feature set. The camera and video functions are particularly popular, allowing children to capture moments and express creativity. The ability to set favorite photos as wallpapers adds a personal touch. The watch is capable of storing over 10,000 high-definition photos, or more than 6 hours of video, thanks to the included SD memory card. This generous storage capacity means children can explore photography and videography without limitations, fostering both fun and learning. A standout aspect is the watch's ease of use. No SIM card or app downloads are required, and all functions are built directly into the device. This approach simplifies setup and operation, making it accessible even for younger children who may not have prior experience with smart devices. The intuitive touchscreen interface, combined with clear menu icons and straightforward controls, ensures that kids can independently explore the watch's capabilities. Parents note that the device is ready to use out of the box, with a rechargeable battery and USB charging cable included. Charging takes about 2 hours, and the battery can last from 3 to 7 days depending on usage, which is a significant advantage for busy families who do not want to constantly recharge devices. Durability is another key strength highlighted in user reviews. The Phyulls smartwatch is constructed from environmentally friendly silicone that is soft, comfortable, and leaves no marks on the skin. The adjustable band fits a wide range of wrist sizes, making it suitable for children as young as 3 and as old as 12. The plastic casing is described as robust, able to withstand the bumps and drops typical of active play. The bright, deep color options and modern design appeal to kids, making the watch feel like a grown-up accessory while still being age-appropriate. From an educational perspective, the watch offers several tools that encourage learning and healthy habits. The habit tracker, calculator, learning cards, and audiobooks provide opportunities for cognitive development and time management. The alarm clock and calendar features help children learn responsibility and organization, while the pedometer encourages physical activity. However, some users have noted that the step counter's accuracy may not be on par with more advanced fitness trackers, which could be a consideration for parents specifically seeking a reliable activity tracker. Entertainment is at the heart of the Phyulls smartwatch experience. The 24 built-in games are designed to be both fun and challenging, offering a variety of puzzles and activities that keep children engaged without the need for internet access. This offline functionality is frequently cited as a major benefit, as it allows parents to control screen time and content exposure without worrying about online risks. The music player supports MP3 files, and the included SD card makes it easy to add favorite songs or stories. The flashlight feature is a practical addition, useful for nighttime adventures or reading under the covers. Customer service and after-sales support receive positive mentions in several reviews. The manufacturer offers a 90-day money-back guarantee, a 1-year warranty, and lifetime customer service, providing peace of mind for parents. In cases where issues arose, such as a device not holding a charge or malfunctioning after initial use, the seller was reported to be responsive and willing to offer replacements or refunds. This commitment to customer satisfaction is an important factor for families investing in children's electronics. Despite its many strengths, the Phyulls smartwatch is not without its drawbacks. The most commonly reported issues include occasional quality control problems, such as devices that stop working after a short period, or charging difficulties. While these cases appear to be in the minority, they are worth considering. Additionally, the absence of internet connectivity or SIM card support means that the watch cannot be used for calling or messaging. However, many parents view this as a positive as it eliminates concerns about unwanted contact or distractions from online content. The lack of GPS tracking is another limitation for those seeking a device with location monitoring capabilities. Some users mention that the screen size may be a bit large for very young children, though most find the fit adjustable and comfortable. The display is bright and clear, making it easy for kids to see in various lighting conditions. The watch's interface is designed to be visually appealing, with customizable themes and wallpapers that allow children to express their personalities. In terms of value, the Phyulls Smart Watch is frequently described as an excellent gift idea for birthdays, holidays, or special occasions. Its combination of entertainment, education, and practicality makes it a standout choice for children who are not yet ready for a smartphone, but want a device that feels modern and interactive. The price point is considered reasonable given the extensive feature set, and the overall build quality is praised as being above expectations for the category. To summarize the collective feedback, the Phyulls Smart Watch for Kids is a feature-rich, durable, and easy-to-use device that offers significant value for children ages 3 to 12. Its strengths lie in its multifunctionality, offline safety, and user-friendly design. The camera, games, music, and educational tools provide hours of engagement, while the sturdy construction ensures it can handle the rigors of daily play. Battery life is strong, and the inclusion of a memory card expands its capabilities beyond many competitors in the same price range. While there are occasional reports of quality issues, the responsive customer service and warranty coverage help mitigate these concerns. Parents appreciate the peace of mind that comes with a device that does not connect to the internet or require a SIM card, making it a safe option for younger children. The watch encourages creativity, learning, and healthy habits, all within a package that feels special and grown up to its users. For families seeking a smart, fun, and secure gadget for their kids, the Phyulls smartwatch is highly recommended by users across the internet. If you have experience with this smartwatch, please leave a review in the comments to help others make informed choices. Don't forget, the product link is in the description. Using it supports the channel and helps us continue to bring you honest, expert-driven reviews.